the drive. First down here after the completion. Time for the hurry-up offense. And we've reached the 2-minute warning in this one. First down coming up. Griffin, play action. And he's forced to the ground.
Got to give the defense a lot of credit here. You want to stop the offense from scoring here with under 2 minutes to go in the first half. Good pressure on the quarterback, and they take him down behind the line of scrimmage.
Griffin from the gun. And he's taken down again for the sack.
Jim, you can't tell the difference between the quarterback and the center. They're both retreating about as fast as you can go. That time the center gets run over, and it leads to a sack of the QB.
Three-step drop. RG3 going down the field. Woodson with the interception. Nice tackle.
Nice job of the defense that time. In position, they read the quarterback's eyes, and it led to an interception.
It's first down as they head to the line. The Rams in the pistol. And the give now to Chris Johnson. Good work by the defense. This will be a loss of 3.
Good job by the defense. They stopped the first down play that time by the offense, and now they have a good situation.
Second down and 13. Chris Johnson takes the handoff. Now they take the football onto the opponent's side of the field. No time to waste. They hurry to the line. Out of the pocket. Launching it deep. On target. Wallace tackled down. First down here. First down following the long play. And the give now to Chris Johnson. Good for only a yard. Coming up, second down. They've come out in the dime package. That's a touchdown.
Keep being aggressive on the offensive side. That's what they did that time. That's why they scored. They kept going after it.
The Rams lined up for the extra point. Counted. Rams ready to boot the football down the field. He had nowhere to go, and they deck him at the 16-yard line. The Giants are ready to take over now as their offense heads onto the field. He's setting up here. He's been sacked 4 times already. What a beating it has been for the quarterback. What a catch.
He caught that.
Tackled down at the 36-yard line. That does it for the first half. Giants trail in this one. All right, Larry, thanks a lot. Second half just about to get underway here as the special teams are about to head back onto the field. Mason Crosby ready for the kickoff.
Come on, bro.
And a touchback here will bring the ball out to the 20. The Rams are ready to take over now, and their offense heads onto the field. The Rams will approach this play from out of the pistol. The Rams will go with the pistol on this play. He'll throw it over the middle, and looking underneath, this will go incomplete. Second down coming up. The Rams come out in the pistol. Play fake. He's looking to the right here on this throw. Taken down at the
Let's
27.
go.
That's an awesome job by the offense picking up this first down here in the second half. They've got a big lead. It's not about scoring anymore. It's just about milking that clock, and that is an art, and this team is good at it.
The offense is set at the line for the first down after that completion. That was a big gainer. Now it's time to back it up. Chris Johnson takes the handoff.
Ken, the offensive coordinator's done a terrific job so far here today. He's got his team winning. They're in the red zone. Let's see how clever he's going to be on this call.
New set of downs now after picking up the first on the ground. The Giants with 2 extra defensive backs in the dime. And the give now to Chris Johnson. And pick up about 4.
That was a power running play that time by the offense. It picked up some good yards. Nothing like it. Show the defense you're willing to get in there and slug it out and get some tough running yards.
The defense comes out in the dime. 2nd and goal from the 5. And it's out of bounds, incomplete.
When you get 3rd and goal, a lot of times it just comes down to who's willing to fight the hardest. We'll find out here in a second.
The defense on its heels. Football sits at the 5-yard line. Loading up with extra defensive backs in the dime. Third and goal at the 5. Gets the handle here.
Tiger.
Scores the touchdown.
Oh, what a good job there by the offense. 3rd and goal. And what do? They run the football against the defense. And nice job getting the touchdown.
The Rams lined up for the extra point. Extra point was good. Ready to step up and send this one down to the end zone. The same as a touchback as he's tackled right at the 20. They come to the line of scrimmage. First down. RG3 out of the pistol. They'll run it here. It's wide open. Tackles made.
All you can do is your job, and that was a good job by the offense, picking up the first down. You're down big in the second half. Hey, don't worry about the score right now. Just find ways to execute plays and get down there and score a touchdown.
Deep to Larry Fitzgerald. That's a touchdown.
Wow.
Things up.
What a good job by the wide receiver. Just going up and attacking the football. And you know why they can attack those footballs? Because they know they can't be hit. They're defenseless, so they get a free chance.
The point after try is in the books. Giants ready to kick it away. The 18-yard line. They face first down. The Rams line up in the pistol. The Rams come out in the pistol. Chris Johnson takes the handoff.
The Rams offensive line is just whooping some tail today, aren't they? What a job up front. That helps the running back get in space, get down there, and pick up a big gain.
The Rams pistol set here. First down at the 30. And the give now. The ball is jarred
Get
loose.
the fuck out of here.
He stacked up at that point.
That's what you call a takeaway. The defense just makes such a hard hit that they take the football away from the offense and they recover the fumble.
This series begins for the offense with a very good chance to score. He's setting up here. He's been sacked 4 times already. What a beating it has been for the quarterback. First and 10. Vincent Jackson on the deep throw.
Oh, my God.
Almost going in the
Fuck.
other direction.
I know we've all heard this phrase before. That's why they're playing defense, because they can't catch. Hey, the coaches don't care about that. When you get an opportunity, they want you to make the catch.
Second down after the incompletion. Play action fake, looking to throw.
There you go.
In on the stop.
That was an awesome job by the defense. They just read the quarterback's eyes. They got in position, and they made the interception.
First down on the way. The Rams in the pistol formation. Chris Johnson takes the handoff. That's a gain of 6.
Power running. A lot of teams in this league don't even do it anymore. This team, they can power it up in there and pick up those tough yards.
Second down following the run. The Rams will come out in the pistol. And the give now to Chris Johnson. And he's tackled down after picking up the first.
What a good job by the running back that time. He reads the blocks very well, and he picks his way through there and picks up a first down. That's nice.
The Rams lined up in the pistol. First down and 10. Now on the move. Complete to Wallace. And he's able to get out to the 34-yard line.
Well, you get a couple first downs. It just gives you such great confidence. It makes everybody relax. And I always say this, when you're a relaxed athlete, that's when you play your best.
First down here. Let's see how they back up the big play here. Chris Johnson takes the handoff. And that's Poe in on the stop.
When you run the football like this and you show toughness, there is no doubt when you fake it and try to throw the football down the field, the quarterback's going to have all day to get it done.
The Rams line up in the pistol offense. They'll go ground. And this run is shut down by Wilford behind the line. They're in the hurry-up mode. The Rams snap it at the 31. And Cromartie can't quite hold on to the interception.
Well, Jim, I threw a lot of passes like that in my career where it should have been intercepted and the guy dropped it. You just go, yes, I got a break. Now can you capitalize on that break?
48-yard field goal try on the way. The kick is good. The kick is good from downtown. The Giants prepared to return the kickoff. There at the 20. They come to the line, and it's first down. He's setting up here. He's